In the fast-paced world of business, efficiency is the name of the game. When it comes to data entry, the old way can be slow, error-prone, and downright frustrating. That's where CipherLab's mobile OCR scanning comes in. CipherLab's OCR scanning and mobile data capture allow multi-text recognition or defined region detection. Ticket inspectors in public transport, like trains and buses, check numerous tickets daily. The use of mobile OCR devices will enhance the efficiency of this procedure. Quickly identify product production and expiration dates for quality control and traceability. Thanks to CipherLab's mobile OCR scanning, you can easily capture data from IDs, driver's licenses, passports, boarding passes, and more, reducing typing errors. With the mobile OCR scanning, meter reading becomes a breeze. It's designed to capture values from digital and 7-digit meters, eliminating errors and saving time. Revolutionize tire management with our mobile OCR scanning. Our technology extracts tire numbers, simplifying processes and improving efficiency. Enhance customer safety, streamline inventory control, and improve vehicle fleet management. CipherLab's OCR scanning solutions are here to simplify your workflow and make your work life easier than ever before.